Cave lion became extinct because they were hunted extinction by humans. Hello, my name is Huang Tingshan. I'm pleased to talk about cave lion. Cave lion were born in 11,700 years ago. Cave lion bones were discovered by Boris Brentsev in 2018. Cave lion live in the Iberian Peninsula, Great Britain, Southeast, and Europe. They eat bear cub but not dogs. Their favorite fruit, however, is reindeer. People call them cave lion because numerous insect skeletons were found in the cave habitats. Thanks to the impressive speed, agility, and strength, they were the toughest predator in their time. They hunted Ice Age, deer, bison, and similar animals. Thanks today, the cave lion will be extinct. Many animals will go extinct if we do not take care of our environment, and we need to stop poaching, stop buying. The poaching will stop. Thank you.